Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. So, good afternoon, Rock Nation. I'm Aster, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Now, andito tayo sa clinic at kasama natin si Sir Merwin. Sir Merwin, okay, bakit ka napapunta sa ating clinic? Ano yung nagiging concern?
Concern ko yun sa knee ko, injury, and then
Ano yung injury mo dyan?
ACL way 2013, 2012,
Complete ba ito? Partial? Anong nangyari dati?
partial.
Partial. Okay, very good. Ngayon, ano yung pinaka nararamdaman mo sa kanya? Currently, ngayon, anong nararamdaman mo?
Yun, sumasakit kapag
Sumasakit?
pag laging gamit
Okay.
sa mga laro.
Gamit
sa
saan?
workout.
Sa workout naman.
Workout sa laro.
Okay, mamaya i-check natin ito. Mayroon tayong sa specific pag-check ng iyong tuhod. Okay? Titignan natin lahat. Alright, saan pa?
And then sa balikat ko.
Balikan.
Hindi kasi makashoot, kaya masakit.
Okay, ngayon, i-unlock natin yan para makashoot ka na.
Yeah.
Okay, pero titignan natin lahat ng mga tightness. Gano'n ka nakatagal nag-gym?
Matagal pero on and off
On and off?
On and off.
Okay.
Matagal naman on and off.
Alright. So, lower back, sa may upper, anything?
Lower back na ito mga nakarande.
Okay, ano nangyayari? Sobra ba o hindi naman?
Hindi naman. Feeling ko lang, baka tight.
Okay.
Siguro.
Sige, tignan naman natin. Alright? Sige. Ngayon, physical examination para makita natin yung root cause. Alright? Doon tayo magfo-focus. Ready ka na? Posture up. Yan. Tingin sa left. Tingin sa right. Kamusta? May masikip ba? Ganon? Hindi makasagad? Ganyan? Okay ka lang? Ayan. Tingnan lang. Ang normal is about 45 degrees extension. How's this one? Okay? Sige, stay. Okay. Normal ba itong pagtingala mo o hindi? Sige, diretso ka. Medyo konting-konti lang naman. Okay? Medyo nandun na papunta sa iyong right side, yung iyong cervical spine right here. Okay? Sige, yuko ka nga. Try natin. Push ko ha. Okay, once I push this one, anything? Normal stretch or may connection dito?
Normal lang.
Wala naman. Normal naman. Very good. Ngayon, tignan natin yung traps muscles mo. Ready? All the way up. Dikit sa tenga. How's this one? Very good naman. Here. Masikip, matigas, anything. Tight.
Wala naman.
Very good. Mula sa harap. Ilagpas sa tenga. Sige, good. Kamusta yan? Sa traps mo, saka dito, sa middle, thoracic, kamusta? Masikip ng konti. Okay? Pero at least, kailangan nandito sa full up. Kamusta ito? Medyo tight ng konti or na normal naman?
Medyo
Konti lang. Here. This one, twist. Right here. Ito yung normal side. How's this one? Okay naman. Very good. Kabila. Yup. How's this one? Very good. Sige, stand up. Yan. Check natin yung lower lumbar mo. Back bend. Go. Up. Kamusta to? Okay lang. So, ngayon, forward bend. Sige, go. Okay? Sige. Down. I-check ko yung buong spine. Okay? Ito, misalignment right here. So, vertebrae of your lumbar. This one. Junction, thoracic 12 here. O, medyo mataas to ng konti. Lumbar 1 and thoracic 12 right here. Okay? Up ng konti. Yan. Kaya medyo may pangangalay ng konti sa lower lumbar mo. Here. Up ng konti. Yan. O, this one. Misalignment with your right vertebrae, thoracic middle. Here, up ng konti. Last one. Good. Okay, so right here. Okay? O, ngayon, tignan natin yung iyong tuhod. Yan. Down. Up. Kamusta yung tuhod?
Medyo pasakit lang dito.
Sa banda? Sa harapan? Sa patela? Right here. Okay? Wala sa likod?
Wala.
Wala dito sa gitna? Sa ano?
Wala naman.
Good. O, sige, sa kabila. Tingnan natin. Ready? Dahan-dahan.
Yung mahina ako.
Sa banda?
Ito.
Mahina? Okay?
Kasi ito rin yung dito yung
Nagkaroon.
masakit sa akin.
Here.
Sa likod.
This one. Okay. Nag-knee support ka na once na naglalaro ka na.
Oo, hindi ko na kaya nung wala.
Para at least medyo mabawasan yung stress and movements. Okay? Sige. Wala namang sobrang specific and wala namang sobrang problema. Normal na procedure gagawin natin. Alright. Ngayon ay dadapa ka. Pelvis and sacroiliac movement. Sige, up. Sige, up. Kamusta yan? Mabigat?
No.
May ngalay sa lower back? Wala naman.
Wala pa naman.
Anong pakiramdam? Mabigat ng konti?
Konti.
Okay. Sige, ang normal dapat na rotation is movement is right here. Masakit o masikip?
Sige.
Masikip. O, sige. Kabila, go. Sige. Ayan. Ang normal is about here dapat. O, here. Tapos medyo mataas pa ng konti. O, i-unlock natin dito is our iliac crest, pelvis, movement, and saka sacroiliac joint. Here. This one. Sige. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Down. Good one. Okay, so very clear naman ito. Right here. How's this? Inhale. Exhale. Let it out. Good. That's fine. Good. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. So very clear naman ito. Let's see this one. The iliac crest and lower lumbar. Right there. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so very clear naman ito. Ready? Go. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Last one. Alright. Good. This one. Ito tayo. Here. Kung kanina ay pinataas ko yung iyong dalawang paa, tig isa. Ngayon, sabay mong itataas. Okay? Sabay mong itataas, dalawa, diretso yung tuhod, tigasan ang puwetan. Okay? Sige. Ready? Go up. Tigasan. Yeah, good. Nice. So that's for your inner pubic bone and lower coccyx and sacrum. Alright? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Okay, very good. Inhale. Exhale. Nice. Very good. Inhale again. Exhale. Nice. Again. Okay, so very good. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, good. Inhale again. Exhale. Good. Last one. Okay, last. Upward. Down. Good. Next, this one is ating middle thoracic. Right here. Good. Inhale. Exhale down. Okay, so ito ay very good one. Last one here. Alright. Right there. Okay. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Right. Right again. Inner rib joint. Very tight. Okay? Especially with this one. C7, cervical 7, 6, and 5 junction. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax ang shoulder. Good. Woo. Your lower pa. Ito mas lower tayo ng konti. C5 junction and C4. Right here. Open up this one here. And then right here. You. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. I-check na natin ulit yung iyong paa. So, ito. Taas. Go up. Nice. How is it now?
Medyo maluwag.
Ang taas na neto. Here, tignan mo yung pinaka-motion. Di ba? Tinataas ko ng ganyan. Dapat hindi masikip. O, ito na yung normal motion. Okay? O, kabila. Go. Nice. How's this? Mas magaan.
Mas magaan.
Very good. O, tignan mo yung pinaka-motion at yung taas. Alright? Very good. So, ngayon, sit down ka. Relax. Yoko. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so, very good na yan. Relax na. Good one. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so tight. Alright? For now, Higa ka muna. Natapilo ka na dati. See if you have compression with your lateral muscles. Oh, very good. O, pantay naman. Kasi wala masyadong compression or tightness with your lumbar lateral support. Okay? Right here. First is your metatarsal right here. Here, lower. Nice. And middle. Here. Next is navicular bone right here. Up. Clear. Next is for your talus. Very clear. Good. Next is for your cuboid. Nice. This one is for our heel. Relax. Good one. Nice. Relax. Good one. Nice. Okay. Here. Lower. Middle. Very good. Next is for your navicular bone. Here. Very good. Sige. Here. Talus and cuboid. Okay. So right here up. Relax yung legs. Okay. Good. Next is for your heel. Nice. Next is for your knees na. Good. Okay. Clear. And then right here. Okay. Again. Yun na. Okay? Sige. So, limitation with this one. Relax. Good. Limitation. Twisting again. Limitation. Good one. Nice. Here. Okay. Turn in. Rotation. Oh. And then for your meniscus here and here, and for your groin. Good, see? Yeah. Okay, good one. Okay, good. Relax na. Good. Twist. Good. Okay, so very clear. Good. Nice. Nice. Now, lower back at sacroiliac joint. Good. So this one is for our sacroiliac joint and lumbar vertebrae. Here. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Nice. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, so very clear. Ngayon, decompression for your lumbar spine. Okay? Inhale. Exhale. Good. Saan yung injury mo nun? Kanan, kaliwa?
Kanan.
Ito? Bakit di pa rin nai-improve? This one is for your carpal bones. Let's see the pain. Here. Sige daw. How's this? Here. Let's see the power. Grip. Grip tayo dalawa. Sige, go. Grip. Ano pagkakaiba?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Medyo weak yung sa'yo. At the same time, here. Ito lang yung nararamdaman mo. Wala masyado dito. Tignan mo kung ano yung pagkakaiba. See this one. Very clear sa upper side.
Baka di na ako sumablay niyan.
Here. Okay? So with the carpal bone, upper side, right here. Relax lang ha. Very clear. Okay? Right here. Stretch it. Good. We will touch this one. Good. Nice. That's one. Good. Hindi mo pa rin pinapalakas to since then?
Hindi na. Medyo okay naman sabi ko, hindi ko nararamdaman na.
Yung pain.
Kala ko okay na. Oo.
Hindi sobrang loose. At delikado rin sa wrist kapag ka gano'n. Dahil walang support na maayos. Right here. Good. Nice one. Up. Here. Good. Let's see again. Go. Grip ka muna. Sige. On your own. 5, 4, 3, 2, and wide open. Open. Sige, go. Lakas. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Ready? Grip. Nice. See the difference? Again. Go. Grip. Lakas. See? Anong pakiramdam? Pantay na.
Malakas.
Pantay na tayo ng grip. Here. Go grip. Okay? Grip tayo, bro. Okay? Ito lang yung pinaka nagkakaroon ng pakiramdam, which is the cut here. Dapat hindi masyado. Okay? Para distribute na maayos yung power. Dominant hand mo ay right? Right. Good. Good, last one. Nice. Good one. Clear. Good one. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Open wide. Kas. 2 and 1. Ready? Grip. How was it now? It's better. Dito na tayo sa leg. Yan. Let's see this one. Cervical 1. How's this? Ito yung tamang pag-check with our cervical spine with the trigger points. Any pain? 4 and 5. Very good. So at least ay clear naman tayo sa iyo. How's this?
Okay.
Here, here, and here. Good. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Relax yung shoulder. Good one. Okay, so upper. Block ng konti. Here. Relax ang shoulder. Right there. Nice. Here. Push it. Lower. Clear and lower and upper cervical spine. Twist it. Block ng konti. That's one. We have to calculate the puwersa na pwede nating i-apply sa iyong decompression. So, light lang ang kailangan nating puwersa. Alright, with the bounce. Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. Relax ang shoulder. Good one. Nice. So, very light. Any pain and nga light?
Wala.
Good.
So,
Yeah. So, iba't ibang muscles. Iba't ibang sensitive part. Okay? So, this one, dito sa ating upper levator muscle. Ngayon, sa shoulders tayo. Lakasan ha. Ready? Go. Pigil. Sige, pigil. Pigil. Yan. Pigil pa. Good. Very firm. Here. Ready? Go. Push it. Go. Pigil. Yun. Meron na. Alright. Good one. Okay. Very clear. Nice one here. Good. Then, lower rotator cuff. Down, down. Yoko, yoko. Relax na ito. Good one. Down. Okay. Nice. A little. Good. And right here. Yep. Relax na ito. Yeah. Oh, yoko, yoko, yoko. Masakit ba?
Sakit.
Gano'n siya kasakit?
Dito.
Right here. Sige, i-rotate lang na. Yep. Good one. Relax.
Ah.
Oh. Okay. This one. Up. Right here. Relax. Good one. Snap it. Snap it. Nice. Relax. Relax. Here. Good one. Good. And then this is the sensitive part of our ears. Here. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? Posture up. Good. Good afternoon, Rock Nation again. Okay? Tapos na tayo with Sir Merwin. Okay, so kamusta bro? Ang pinaka-experience ng therapy.
First time ko eh. Napakagaan talaga.
Good. So ngayon, magbibigay tayo ng special examination again. Okay? Sige. Before and after. Sige. Posture up. Yan. Sige. Tingin sa left. Tingin sa right. Anong difference?
Gaan eh. Para mabilis.
Very good. Mas easy ba?
Oo.
Good. Sige, tingala. Very nice. Okay? So, not. Yan. Here. This one. 45 degrees extension. How's the tension here?
Okay. Wala naman masyado.
Very good. So, tignan naman natin yung traps mo. Here. Go up again. Tikit sa tenga.
Yeah.
How is it? Mas easy?
Mas easy, mas easy.
Very good. Down. Okay. Harap. Lagpas sa tenga. Yan. How is it now?
Mas easy.
Very good. Nice. So at least ito ay wala naman sobrang pain. Ngayon, tignan natin yung tuhod mo. Okay? Stand up. Ready? 1 foot up. Balance. Good. Down. Up. How is it now?
Yeah. Okay.
Mas malakas?
Mas malakas.
Tignan natin ito. Here. Relax. Down. Sige, dahan-dahan. Up. Kamusta?
Mas magaan kaysa kanina.
Good. Yung may pain ba? Wala.
Wala.
Very good. May pain ba kanina? Meron.
Kanina sa examination, parang hindi wala naman.
May weakness lang ng konti.
Oo. Yun.
Okay. So ngayon, mas better yung support ng muscles. Okay? So at least, ang pinakagagawin mo is about here. Okay? Quads and calf muscle.
Okay.
Ganun. Thank you.
Thank you.
Picture tayo.
Sige.
Okay?
Ah.